Hi, welcome to Random Babbling with Sara Hoover. Okay, so I'm like sick. I'm really sick. And so I was bored, so I'm gonna make a video of me and my meds. My meds! Am I supposed to take the Robitussin or the spray stuff first? Gonna open the box to my medicine. Oh! Whoa, okay, so, ew, I need to get a drink of water first. I got some water now, so we're gonna take some of this nasty stuff. Okay. Duh. How much do I take? Did I take? Okay. 2 teaspoons every 4 hours. That's 2 teaspoons. Okay. What the? There we go. It smells good but bad. Oh god. Ew, that's too much. Okay, there we go. It's too much. Pour some back. Does that look like 2 teaspoons to you? No. Ugh! Ew. Ugh! I hate cough syrup. It won't come off. What the? Oh, is there like more to it? Relieves sore throat pains. Okay, how many sprays am I supposed to take? Cherry. Ew. Directions. Apply to the infected area 1 spray. Okay. Make it. I know that looked like I took like 7, but it wouldn't spray. My mommy got me some chapstick too because my lips were chapped because I've been sick. What the? Why is everything so hard? Ugh. Stupid chapstick. I can't get it open. There we go. Gotta put it on my finger. My lip to kind of This has been Random Babbling with Sara Hoover. Bye!